Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is November 25th, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I wanted to shoot a quick video to tell you what I believe is the easiest business to start in 2024. So if you're looking to get the new year off to a good start, you want to supplement your income, you might even want to replace your 9 to 5 income, then I really strongly feel that Got Backup is the easiest business to start in 2024. 98% of the work is already done for you, okay? And we'll get into that as I go on in this video. But just to give you a little background, Got Backup is the newest product from GVO, which is Global Virtual Opportunities. They've been in business for over 25 years. They're a debt-free company. They have their own data center in Schertz, Texas. And the owner has earned over $300 million in the last 25 years being online, okay? So this is a company that's not going anywhere. It's a solid company. It's debt-free, like I mentioned. And this opportunity is just, in my opinion, the best opportunity that I've seen in all of my 16 plus years doing this stuff online, okay? The customer support is top notch. If you have a question, they get back to you right away. And the owner is just very transparent, and his team they're super transparent. So when they say they're going to do something, they implement it right away. There's no waiting for anything. And the one thing that I absolutely love about this company is that it's a digital product that every single person who has a cell phone or a laptop or a desktop needs. Okay. Everybody needs this product because we spend $50 or $60 on a phone case, but we never take the time or even think about it backing up whatever's on our devices. All right. So if you're any type of, a photographer, an artist, a business owner, a content creator, a video maker, whatever it is that you have on your cell phone or any other device that's important to you and you want to save it, Got Backup is the place to save it. Okay. For $9.97, you're going to get 6 terabytes of data storage. All right. And that's enough to hold about 12 million photos, just to give you the size of, an idea of what that size is, 6 terabytes. You can use it on an unlimited amount of devices. You can share it with up to 5 other people. All right. So for a total of 6 different accounts, all for $9.97 a month. Okay. Inside your back office, you're going to get a photo editor. There's a full collaboration tool. There's a business tool suite, so you can create Word documents, spreadsheets, PowerPoint presentations. There's a whiteboard back there. Full collaboration, so you can share whatever you're doing in your back there with anybody in the world. They don't have to be a part of Got Backup. Okay, and the really cool part is right now, all right, I think this is going to run through the end of this month. You can become a reseller of Got Backup. Okay. So basically what that means is that you're able to share this opportunity with other people. And when they join using your link, you're going to make commissions. Joel has decided to wipe out the reseller fee completely. Okay. And I think it's good until the end of this month. So you can start your own global business right now for $9.97 your first month, $9.97 each month thereafter. Okay. We also have a yearly package that you can buy where you can join for $99.97. You get 2 months for free. Okay. So this is the easiest, simplest business. I'm going to show you in my back office right now. I'm just going to share this screen. So please bear with me for a minute. All right. So here's my back office. I'm going to log in. Now, when you log in your back office, you're going to see a members area walkthrough video. This is going to explain everything in the back office over here to you, okay? It's going to go over the dashboard, the promotional tools, the compensation plan. Everything you need to get started is going to be explained in this video here, all right? Then we have digital tools here. So this is the actual software storage. All right, you can use that. There's videos that go over everything. Here are the reseller tools. So you're going to get all these different pages here to promote, right? Here's your links right underneath each one. You can add tracking so you can view stats if you have different traffic sources you use and whatnot. You get banners. All right, there's a whole bunch of banners in the back here. You get advertising ad copy. You get ad copy to send out to pre-enrollees. You get social media banners and videos. There is a complete lead capture system in here. All right, so this alone would be worth, a minimum of $25 a month if you were to pay for this separately. But you can set up campaigns, you can set up follow-up messages, broadcast messages, check out your subscribers. There's email analytics. This is a complete lead capture system. Then we have the compensation plan overview. This shows you all the live webinars that we have. All right, and they keep adding more of these each week, it seems like. So you can see here, Monday nights we have training with our master trainer, Linda Cromar. Linda knows this software in and out better than anybody else. So I'm always on these calls because I'm always learning something new. Tuesday, we have Jean-Marc. Okay, he does the Italian presentations. Wednesday, we have our Wednesday night cutoff webinar with Joel and Mike. Fridays, we have the morning recognition, motivation, and recruiting webinar with Mark Seamus. Always good energy here. Saturday, we have training with Chris and Tammy. Now, this is a husband and wife team who have earned millions of dollars online, and their trainings are priceless. All right. Today, we had a training on following up with prospects, and you learn something new every time. Sundays, we have our French presentations. And like I said, they're adding more presentations and webinars all the time. You can go here and watch the webinar replay. All right. You can hear all the live streams that we have. There's a leaderboard. All right. There's that. There is the Got Backup leaderboard, which is currently being updated at 6:03 p.m. here. So this is being updated right now. It's updated every 4 hours. I think right now I'm number 21 on the leaderboard. All right. We have over 30,000 members here, folks. So, when you join my team, our team, Team Black Diamond, you are not joining somebody who is new at this. All right. We have rank up and recognition here, which I just did a post for my friend Brett Sipe today. He went from silver to gold. Here's Nicholas Lopez. He's on our team. He went from bronze to copper. We have a place to welcome new members. We have an internal wallet, business cards and postcards. There's all kinds of stuff in the back office here. So you get all of that. The reseller fee is waived. Okay, so you get all of that for a one-time. Well, to start, it's $9.97 to start, and then $9.97 each month after that. Or like I said, we have the yearly package for $99.97, where you get 2 months for free. Now, the reason I think this is the easiest business, okay, you get all that stuff that I just showed you in your back office. You get all the marketing tools you need. You get all the webinars and training. You're going to get me as your sponsor. So when you sign up, you're going to get all my personal contact information. You can reach out to me anytime that you have a question or need help. We have a private Facebook group, Team Black Diamond. We have a power hour that we do on Sunday. Dave and I, my business partner, and I, we do that. Then we have an official Got Backup Facebook group. Our team is so big right now. I think there's over 400 people on our team now since April, when we launched in April. Okay. So it's growing big. It's, if you're serious about supplementing your income or even creating a job replacing income, you can do that with this opportunity. Okay. So right now, there's a link down below this video. All right. It'll take you over to a page that looks like this. I'm going to share my screen once again. All right, so I don't know how long this offer is going to be available. I think, like as it says here, through November 30th. So if you're watching this video after that time, there's going to be a link down here regardless, but it might be a link that takes you over to a tour page. And even if you miss this awesome $9.97 deal, the other deal is $20. All right. It's a one-time $20 reseller fee and then $9.97 a month. So you're looking at $29.97 to start a global business. You see this? I think we're up to 126 countries now, over 30,000 members, and it's just going to continue to grow. Okay. So if you don't get the $9.97 per month deal with the reseller fee waived, it's only going to cost you $20. All right. Because they're cutting this in half too. All right. It's going to go down to $20. So you can't lose with this opportunity. And you're going to get 6 terabytes of storage. It's 100% automated once you get everything set up. It's encrypted with 256 military grade encryption. There's documentation and photo collaboration tool. You cannot beat this, folks. Okay. We have an iPhone and Android app for this. And like I said, you get all these marketing tools here. Here's some stories from people who are absolutely crushing it in here. And I'm just going to show you the compensation plan really quick. Now, you can see here, your first month. All right. Now, this is just say the deal's not going on and the people are joining you and they're paying the $20 reseller fee plus the $9.97. Okay. You're going to get a 200% payout your first month. Now, it's 100% payout when we have a deal like this when the reseller fee is waived. Okay. After the first month, you're going to get 25% personal sale commissions. All right. So everybody that you bring in after the first month, you're going to earn 25% commissions on them. You're going to get a 25% check match on all your direct referrals. So if you bring in somebody and they go to town and they start making $10,000 a month, you're going to get 25% of that each month. That would be a total of $2,500 extra. Okay. The company takes 25% of the net profits each month and they distribute those out in our binary. And then we earn 25% commissions on all special offers on the back end after the initial sign up. All right. So right now we currently have these 3 offers after the initial sign up. We have offer number 1. This is a $9.97 for the entire year to back up all your data storage to a third party. All right. Now we have like it says here, all data storage is housed in our Texas data center. We also back up data to a third party for added protection. All right. So it's $9.97 for the year. I paid for this. My wife paid for this. Our kids paid for this. It's just a good, it makes you just feel a little bit more secure in case something ever happened, God forbid, to the Texas data center. You know that you're never going to lose your data. Okay. Offer number 2 is a $99 one-time payment for 2 extra terabytes of storage. So you'd have a total of 8 terabytes of storage. Offer number 3 is a $199 one-time payment, and they set up 26 personalized email messages to go out to follow up with all of your pre-enrollees, okay? Now, the system does follow up automatically with your pre-enrollees, but they're more generic messages inviting them to our webinars and stuff like that. So this $199 gets you personalized emails, which is highly recommended, okay? But not necessary. You're also going to get the fully functional email marketing system where you can have 10,000 subscribers. They have it here for a $300 per year value. That's a very low value, okay? I think it's at least $600 for that. You'd easily pay $50 with some of these companies to get what you get in here with our lead capture system. So again, if you're looking to supplement your income or replace your 9-to-5 income, this is the easiest business to start in 2024. 98% of the work is done for you. And like I said, all you have to do is, if you can copy and paste, then you can make this work. All right. It's that simple. If you can copy and paste, you can make this work. So If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And I really appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. If you find any value in them, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot, and I really, really appreciate it. So I hope you have a great rest of your weekend, or your rest of your day, depending on when you're watching this. And I look forward to working with you. So again, if you have any questions, leave them down below. Click on that link. If it's not the special link, it's just going to be the normal link where you pay the $20 reseller fee. You can still get started for really cheap, and we can make a lot of money together. So I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.